Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are going to fix the issue where the game bar won't record on Windows. So let's just head over and start the process. So you can head over to your settings first, go over and search for settings and open it up like this. And from here, go over and find the option for gaming right here on your left hand side of your screen. From the given menu, select it and open up the game settings here. From here, go over and find this option called Game Bar, the very first, and go ahead and open it up. And you will be finding different options here. And once you are here, ensure that you have these options turned on, which is allow your controller to open Game Bar. If this option is turned off, you can go ahead and turn this option right here by clicking on it like this. Now, once you do so, you can close this up and you can head over and search for Game Bar and open it up. Or you can head over to app settings directly here and open up the app settings here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and head over the section of terminate, reset, and repair section. So what we can do is, first of all, you can just go ahead and immediately terminate the system component and its related process, and it should completely turn off and you can restart it again. Or what we can do is we can click on repair. That will repair the thing that is not working right now, and the system's component data also won't be affected if you do so. Apart from that, you can reset it. If nothing is working out, the component's data will be deleted, but that should probably fix your issue. And the second method you can apply up is you can just head over the search and search for updates, and you can check for updates for your system. And if there's any kind of update available, you can just go ahead and update your system to the latest version available. And that's it. So these are the solution you can follow up if you'd like to fix the game bar not working. So give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.